What is going on, guys? It is June 2nd of 2022. It is Thursday here at the shop. We're doing frame manufacturing. We got a lot of parts and pieces ready to go, ready to get them all welded up. We really appreciate everyone that keeps buying frames. The orders just keep rolling in. It's just awesome. So we really want to thank you guys, but it's going to be a great day. We're going to get a lot of work done. So let's get to it.
Up.
Okay. I bet you can't wait for that new machine to come in.
Definitely going to be a back saver. A lot of notching.
You got a pot on.
Nah, well, there is a pot, but it's from yesterday.
Oh.
So. We need to honestly just be like, guys, they don't sponsor us. They gave us one case of this.
Yeah.
We literally buy this on our own.
Yeah.
We just do this to be jerk-offs. Like,
it's good stuff.
Literally. Electric Monkey, starting the day off.
It really is good.
We've gotten paid, not a penny.
Yeah.
Electric Monkey.
No,
Nobody
nothing.
pays us anything for anything.
No.
Other than frames.
It's planned for today.
Do a bunch of work. Building this jig here, so this here will automatically orientate that notch.
Orientate?
So, orientate. What is it? Orient? I don't know. Everybody always freaking calls me out on that. I really don't care. Gets it in the right freaking direction, okay? There's a whole blow up about that, like on the channel before.
What, you saying orientate?
Yeah. And guys like, that's not even a word. And then there was like somebody else that came out of the freaking dark web somewhere with like a dictionary insert and just blew that guy up. It was a whole big thing. Either that or he's drinking cold coffee.
Oh, nice to see you there, folks. Just, I'm just brewing a fresh pot for you.
Really? Wow.
That's
Fresh
what
pot.
I was telling Russ. I go, it's gonna be like the fire department. Kurt, whenever he gets in, first thing.
Oh yeah.
Hot pot. If Kurt's here, pot's on.
Ooh, that is some good stuff.
You checked our P.O. box lately?
I think the lady actually down there said we got a few to go pick up. I just gotta go grab them. Our P.O. box is The Garage Vlog, P.O. Box 130, Volant, Pennsylvania. It's on the screen right here. Pennsylvania 16156. Send us anything you want. We would love to have something funny to talk about. Coffee, knives of any sort, ninja stars, fireworks.
Rolexes.
Yeah, Rolexes, that'd be cool. Fake or real, fine.
I'd wear a fake Rolex around here.
I wear just about anything somebody sent me.
Anything?
Freaking Steve hooked me up, man.
Jeez.
Take your tube, put her in this sweet jig, butter up there.
Yeah, that's sweet.
No measuring, no spinning. Take her out. I'll be showing everybody those tricks. Got a lot of stuff that
These jigs are making stuff so much easier.
oh yeah, we're going full production here. Coming back from lunch. Steve's claiming I stole all his ink saws. I said, you see that gold chain? That one's mine.
Hey, you should go get him.
Get him with what? You can't have that on the channel.
Give him one.
Just send one up. How far does that thing shoot?
Pretty far. Don't look at it.
What's that thing powered by? It's Britney. Haters tears. You know how those girls have those freaking rings on their nose? You know how they have those rings like that?
Yeah.
I'd always know where my freaking Sharpie's at.
Don't point that at anybody.
How far are we talking? Kind of like sniping from over here? Like waft one up, pop him in the head? I always try to wait till he's doing something real precise, then I just get him. He's over there trying to freaking do work. He's looking, he knows something's up.
That was a good shot.
No, I can't.
He was gonna give you a butt blaster.
Freaking Russ. Always bring, you should get Dave.
Yeah? Oh, God! I'm telling you, man, those things are powerful. Don't point that at me.
Back to work. This is recent 7,934. We're gonna have to somehow fit in the scooter too.
Reason 10,031. So we got a big announcement. Our custom made exhaust for the mini trikes is up on the website, tgvshop.com. Here it is here. It's gonna come wrapped and it's gonna come with an adapter on the back, so if you guys wanna put a muffler on it, you can. They're up on the shop right now if you guys wanna get one. If you bought a frame and you need one, go pick one up. Also, I wanna say, the mini Trike giveaway is still going on. Go over to tgvshop.com and get entered. By buying any piece of merch, you'll get 10 entries. Oh! Close.
Oh, you just wait. Kids got so many.
Oh, let's see what you're bringing in tomorrow.
So I'm just trying to, I'm over here building frames. Russ shoots me at this Nerf airsoft gun. Then we get the bright idea to launch her out of a cannon, some electric monkeys. So, let's see if this thing will do. You ready?
I guess so.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Holy smokes!
Jeez!
Hey, look at this real quick.